Welcome back to another video. So today is the how many day? Is it 12? And I'm at Vicky's place. Yo, Vicky bro. Alright, so today we are roaming inside Delhi. Jay, Vicky and I were going to the store for now to get tempered glass because Jay's tempered glass is broken and we need new one. And so while the others are getting ready, we'll go and get it. Welcome to Kishangarh. Guys, yesterday someone saw him, Jay, with a Zepto bag. Guys, that was not Jay, it was a delivery guy. They all look the same. So if you're watching from Kishangarh, guys, do let us know. Guys, we got the new case. Oh, this is the old case, guys. I got transparent case. Ouch. Now we'll have to find tempered glass for iPhone 16 Pro Max and a case.
And case for mommy.
Case for mommy.
OnePlus.
Let's go there. Here. Let's go in. What? Good tempered.
Good, yeah.
100 rupees only. Now let's start the trip. आज का day out, guys. Let's go. Guys, the time is 2:23. We are all waiting for cab. Whoa, fun boy. Yo. So guys, you were asking where is Suraj? Suraj, he is always hiding behind the cameraman. So,
I was
yeah.
so tired, I don't want to appear in camera anymore. Look at my lips.
Wow. So broken.
Delhi treating me well.
Okay. How are you?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling alright?
Alright.
Okay. Mom, are you excited? We'll go to Qutub Minar.
Qutub Minar.
Okay. Vicky and Jay are inquiring auto. Let's see how much they are asking. Yeah, how much?
100 रुपीज
इधर
ये वो कह रहे हैं हम ज़्यादा लेंगे
ज़्यादा लेंगे? क्यों? भैया कितना लोगे कुतुब मीनार? अरे यार मत करो यार ऐसा. Sad life. So we will need more autos. Jay, are you also booking?
I'm trying.
Yeah, you also try. So we will need 3 autos because there are no cab at this time apparently. Vicky is trying to bargain.
120
120?
हाँ बैठ
चलो 3 लोग. Are you excited, Vicky?
वेरी मच
लग तो नहीं.
अरे यहाँ फोन लाके करेगा तो कहाँ से एक्साइट हो जाएगा
This auto wala are so attitude here. भाई साहब, they are showing so much attitude. The Vicky was like, भैया इसमें 100 दिखा रहा है तो बोला इसी में चले जाओ. Vicky roasted. Vicky roasted Pro Max.
आप भी बैठ जाओ.
4 लोग.
अरे वो तो हम हैंडल के लिए करेंगे आपको थोड़ी.
आ जाओ.
चलो भाई.
आजा. वो हैंडल हम करेंगे तुम.
Okay. Wow.
I'll go for a break.
Are you feeling all right?
आ जाएगा
5 in 1 auto. Nice. This is called adventure.
दिस इज कॉल्ड दिल्ली भाई
Wow. We are here. बड़े ज़्यादा पैसे तेरे पास. Cheating करता है guys. He charged for 2 auto. बहुत तेज हो रहा है. I thought he was like being kind, but he was not being kind for free. Kindness is not free, guys. It costs you 100 rupees, 120 rupees extra. Now we are off to find Suraj and Mummy. I don't know where they are. The driver left us at exit gate instead of entry gate after charging us extra money. That's the entry gate. You need to show your cards. Oh, you brought your card?
No. Yeah. I got. PAN card is fine, right?
Yeah, PAN card is fine. Okay. And the time is 2:57.
I didn't want
We found them, guys. Suraj and Mummy are here. Oh, you're booking
कर रहा हूँ.
ticket?
till book enough.
Okay, Suraj, done. Yeah. Entry time. Children, let's go. I'm the children. So guys, you were asking, where is Susu? Why do you miss him so much? He's not that even like handsome.
Exactly.
Why? Why are you asking? Jay is more cute, just like a puppy. Meow meow.
Just like puppy.
Vicky को सारा guys, he's also handsome. ओए, भाई वही है ना?
हाँ
जो
वही
हम
है
देखने आए हैं.
जो मरा था
चलो, let's go back. देख लिया ना?
हाँ चलो हो गया
Let's go guys.
यही कुतुब मीनार था
That's Qutub Minar. Let's go. हो गया. How is Qutub Minar?
Qutub Minar.
Huh?
Qutub Minar.
Qutub Minar. Yeah, how is Qutub Minar?
Very nice.
Very nice. Guys, it's not Qutub Minar, it's Qutub Minar. Because she said so. Don't look back. Vicky and Thonbui. They're like best friends now. भाई क्या कर रहे थे? क्या कर रहे थे अकेले अकेले?
उसका
मैं सब समझता हूँ भाई.
अरे हमें अलग जाना है.
Guys, ये मैप है. Qatuk ul Islam Mosque. So tall, guys. Wow. All right. And guys, rate my outfit. आगे से तो I look very cool, right? But from the back, I have some dark. And the time is already 3. And here's some information about the Minar map. We are not here map देखने के लिए. We'll see the scenery and everything else. Wow, birds, aeroplane. Woo! Perfectly captured. Nice. Whee! Tomorrow we're gonna fly. There's the Qutub Minar. It's very tall, and you have already seen that. Now let's go inside because my mom and brothers are inside. Nice, romantic couple happening. Wow, wow, happening. Lovebird happening in the corner. Airplane coming out from Qutub Minar. Whee! Nice. Picture perfect. You'll not need no filter. Guys, we have clicked a lot of beautiful pictures. So if you want to see the pictures, you have to make 100k, and then I'll release all the pictures and reels on my Instagram. What do you want? Oh, if you want to click picture. Oh, guys, there is an opening there. Secret compartment. There's secret compartment. Oh, there's a door. If you go up there, you can get view. What are you doing? What is he doing? No one is clicking your picture. Go away.
Who is not clicking? Oh, Jay. Jay. Do it.
Jay ran away. You. Gee. Right, I'll click one picture of the twins. Okay, smile. 1, 2, ready, go. Yay.
Let's see. Wait, I need to find drinking water.
ला क्रप गरेछ यति के जग्गा के देखाएको
This is prank. See? See? Now.
Can you click again once?
What is that thing?
Which one?
The big thing.
I don't know.
The gate.
That's okay.
What were you looking?
No, I was seeing something else, that painting one.
Okay, explain the painting.
I don't know what's that. No, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, it's okay. The time is 3:31 and we have spent a lot of unnecessary time clicking pictures and making reels. So now we'll go to another location. Location change. Vicky, location change. Another monument. Another broken building. Let's go. Next location, Humayun's tomb. We'll try to book cab.
Delhi, please be good to me.
You. Are you booking cab?
Yeah.
Yeah, auto.
Cab.
But इस बार no 5 people in one. मारेगा.
मारेगा.
Moving to next location, it's 3:50. We got our cab. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Vicky, तू आगे.
हमें आगे.
Thank you, Vicky, for opening the door.
Sweet. Thank you.
Vicky के लिए खोल रहा है. Yes. Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
You slept well. She was sleeping the whole trip, guys. It took us a long time. Now it's 4:25 and we are at the premises, so we'll have to walk. But first we need to get the tickets from this counter. So one ticket will cost us 90 rupees if we book from here. I don't know, for some reason, like they asked us to go to the main road. There we can get for 40 rupees. What is this behavior? It's more than double the price. Okay. Alright, so let's go there and we'll get another ticket from, I don't know, man. But the guy in the counter, he lied to us. He made us walk a long way, and then we asked the locals and they were like, it's इस तरह भी है. अरे भैया आराम से. I think it's here. यहीं पे तो है entry. So we went way too far. Okay. And finally we entered. 4:39. It's already late. Okay. Nice moon with the flower. Oh, birds. There is a broken building. Yep.
Which one?
See, there's one more like tomb out there. Rangin tomb.
That's Chandini Sakugazur.
Colorful color. And that thing in front is the gate. So behind it is the Humayun's tomb.
मेरा एक
क्या?
फोटो उठाना मेरे से
एक फोटो.
यहाँ पे, हाँ.
We need to find Jay. Wait.
No, it's okay.
Oh, now?
From my phone.
Okay. So now we'll enter the gate, which will lead us to Humayun's tomb. But oh, it is hidden with trees and so many unnecessary items. Wow. Nice. Whoa. Almost fail video. It's about to get dark, and there's another gate which leads to nowhere.
From there.
See?
Let me go.
Don't look back. Wow, it looks so nice, guys. Wow. This is amazing. Now we'll see the main thing. Wait, slow motion. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. So this is Taj Mahal duplicate. See, it looks the same, but the color is different, and there are no Qutub Minars around it. Perfect timing. Look at the birds behind and above, and the moon. Hi. Now we'll go up there. Wow, the stairs are so big.
It's fine, but see that.
Wow. Check out the elevation. It's like, now we are on top, and this is how it looks. So if you don't know, so Shah Jahan was inspired with this, and he made the Taj Mahal. So
You are holding my hand and I'm walking here.
okay,
Yeah?
guys, we found Jay, and the rest are still lost. Where were you guys?
I applied dirty water.
Jay applied it.
Pigeon poo.
Oh no, bro, this is royal water.
Yes, royal water.
Royal water.
Pigeon poo.
Pigeon poo water.
See? Look at the color.
Yeah. This is because of the poo of the pigeon. Green. Let's go to India Gate now. The final destination for today. It's already 5. We'll not spend much time in one place. Now we'll go to India Gate. Let's go. Let's run. Let's run. Vicky and bro having chai alone. Vicky. हमारा चाय कहाँ है? तो चलो ना.
शायद मैं घर जाऊँ.
क्यों?
काम है.
क्या काम है?
ऑफिस में.
नहीं है भाई.
यार जाना.
हाफ डे लिया भाई.
नहीं लिया.
हाफ डे लिया भाई.
नहीं लिया भाई.
Guys, Vicky trying to cheat.
नहीं.
Nahi bhai, not allowed. So we came here to have chai and momo. You can get chai from there. Ek cup 15 rupees, guys. And there's the cup. Teeny tiny. Bro is going to try veg momo. Is it? Veg? Okay. So let's see if it's good. Mom is also here now. Suraj is
you
also
guys
here.
eating?
Where were you guys? You were lost.
No, where were you guys?
We were not
Where
lost. You were
guys?
lost.
चाय?
Nahi, momo khana hai?
मोमो खाते हैं.
Veg momo or chicken? Chicken will take time, I think. Chicken will take time.
Well, test.
So we'll taste.
Yeah.
Okay.
तुम दोनों कहाँ थे भाई?
Lovebird.
गाइड तो घूमी हो गया.
रिशा को हो रहा है.
Hazrat Nizamuddin.
I love Hazrat Nizamuddin.
It's already late, 5:30. Now we'll taste momo. Let's give it a try with chaat masala first time.
How are you?
This is soya
Soya chicken.
Nutella. There's more.
Okay, back low.
It's dry, but it's okay if you're hungry. Oh, VIP. Now we'll go to CP. Let's book the cab.
You have to book the other one.
Okay, let's go. It's 5:51 and we're moving towards CP. We booked a cab and the driver asked me to cancel it. I cancelled it and now we're going by auto. Sister prosecutor. There. We just landed at CP. Landed 6-3. Check that out. Cafe by day, bar by night. With the Chandni Chowk on the sky. And this is Palika Bazaar gate. Palika Bazaar is underground market. Market which is under the ground. There India flag. India flag. Are you feeling cold?
Little bit.
Little. Okay. We are looking for Suraj and Mummy. They are somewhere around here. Some sort of announcement is going on out there. Something is going on. News. Oh, News 18. Oi. Let's go and see the anchor. The famous news anchor. Chalo. Let's look from here.
मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आखिर विरोध का मुख्य आधार क्या है?
देखिए मुख्य आधार ये है कि आप इतनी बड़ी व्यवस्था को केवल 4,000-5,000 लोग आज की
क्या इससे पहले नहीं हो रहे थे चुनाव?
इससे पहले नहीं हो रहे थे चुनाव. हो तो रहे थे भाई. न्यूज़ 18 भाई. फेक न्यूज़. मजाक कर रहा हूँ guys. I'm just kidding. यहाँ एक और न्यूज़ चल रहा है. Another one. photo bomb. I just did like this in front of guys. You saw me in TV. Was send me the screenshot. Why are you laughing?
Last night was you were done.
There are so many going on here. भाई वो तो मार ही देगा. Please don't get angry. भाई चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो? Let's go. Mommy is here now. Mommy, look, they're screaming just like news. For news. For news.
के गरेको थियो?
हामीले आउनु छ डेडलाई म यहाँ पुगे भन्नु
News मा गर. Me here.
देखिन्छ?
Live news.
ए हो र?
Live news.
डेडले न्यूज हेर्नु भएन?
Mom, let's go and disturb the
Dance,
news.
eh.
Yeah, in front of the camera, let's dance. Everyone will see it live. We will see phone case here. Phone cases. Yes. You don't need any more phone cases. Okay. Okay, you get for you and mom also. I think mom needs a phone case. We got the case. Check this out. Matte. It looks so nice. It's matte. It's not like glossy. So we replaced our case. Even me, I got a new case now. Same. Check this out. It's transparent. It's awesome. Nice. Jay, how about you? You also got it?
It looks good.
Looks nice, no?
Yeah.
It looks very premium. Mommy, where's yours?
Mom, it's one of the...
Mom's phone is not transparent, but mom is different. Purple, yay! We got the case for everyone. Mom, happy now?
Yes.
Yay! Now let's go to India Gate. It's late already, 6:30. And at night I have to go back to the mall again. I need to exchange my shoes. Wow. Let's go. So many phone cases, guys, in CP. We left mom and Suraj. They will come on their own. There is some sort of mandir here.
प्राचीन हनुमान मन्दिर
Okay. So we have just arrived. India Gate is that side and Rashtrapati Bhavan is that side, but we are way in the middle. So we cannot see Rashtrapati Bhavan, but we can see India Gate. Aja. चलिए. नहीं भैया नहीं
सेंड करेगा ना एक ट्रायल देख लीजिए
नहीं. No photos please. No photos. नहीं. मत खींचो भैया. नहीं भैया. नहीं चाहिए. आ जाओ. नहीं चाहिए. Being a celebrity is very difficult, guys. They try to click your pictures from every angle. So many paparazzis here. No pictures, please. No pictures. Don't click her picture, guys. No paparazzi here. How do you feel? Celebrity feeling. How is it?
Amazing.
Amazing. They will chase you for pictures. Celebrity lifestyle. Yay! We'll try chai. You have to shake it. Shake well before use.
भैया पानी है.
पानी है? Oh, bad review. कितने का भैया? नहीं, ये कितने का? 15 रुपए.
कितना अच्छा स्मेल है केरोसिन का.
केरोसिन ज्यादा अच्छा स्मेल आ रहा है. केरोसिन पी सकते हैं क्या? नो फोटोज. नहीं.
अच्छा लगा तभी
फोटो ही नहीं चाहिए. Oh, we are running away from so many paparazzis. We need to run away, guys. Where are we going?
to go under
Oh, underpass. So they have reached the gate.
yes
Okay. Yay, India Gate. Oh, let's do like this. Love.
yeah.
Wait. Yay! Like this. India Gate. Nice. Oh, guys. Guys, I'm going to mute the sound because I cannot play copyright. भैया थोड़ा छोड़ दो यार. She is running towards you. नहीं. फोटो दूर तक. Wow. She's so excited. So cute. Wow, see? Bubbly. Don't look. Bubbly. Don't look back. Just walk. Bubbly. She's so cute. It feels just like a celebrity to say, "Nahi bhaiya, no photo please."
one guy is singing rocket and the other guy is puppet
Rocket puppet. And guys, so there's the underpass. You can take that to reach the India Gate. We'll cross the road and everything. Okay, we found them. Mommy and Suraj were lost. Where were you guys?
we
We are searching for you.
the auto driver left us in the middle of the road and we have to cross that super big highway
Congratulations.
and then we went that side and then fortunately we got the underpass.
Okay.
Did you click picture
See guys, there's the India
Promo.
Gate which you were craving to see. देख लिया ना? Let's go home, guys.
Let's get closer.
Oh yeah, we have to cross and then we will see.
Let's get closer and then we can.
7:03. Okay, let's go, guys. On the other side. How do you feel about India Gate? Have you seen before?
Came before
Okay.
8:56.
So it's 8:56 and we have to reach Saket City Walk before the store closes because we need to exchange my shoes. And we reached really late, like on our way back from India Gate because there was a huge hell lot of traffic. So it took us way longer than we expected. And now we're rushing back to the mall. I told him to drive like aeroplane because like else we won't reach because of the traffic and everything. So and it's freaking cold as well. Luckily till now there's no traffic. It's 5:09 and the estimated is around 15 minutes if we go in the same speed, and then we meet small traffic here. I think it's huge, I don't know, but it's moving from the sides and we're not. Please traffic, what's going on? And now we're moving again. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We have to go that way. And there is some kind of wheel going on. Mela. Oh, we have to go up. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. So we are here now finally. Okay, thank you so much, Bhaiya. Let's rush, let's rush. We are getting late, Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Juta. Stop. Oh, sorry. Okay. Thank you so much. We need to rush. See, 9:14. Thank you so much, Auto Wala Bhaiya, yaar. He saved the day, I think. Which side is Nike? Which side is Nike? Let's ask somebody because where is the Nike? Where is Nike? You're not feeling cold? You're looking hot and nice. Oh, Under Armour. Yeah, there. Where is Uniqlo? I think we should ask because we are wasting time. We need to hurry now. Because I need to again exchange shoes and then I have to go back to Saket. Like I have to return here again. Like not in the mall, but I need to get to my brother's again. My brothers are staying in Airbnb right now, so I need to rush there. Oof. Let's just ask someone, please. There's no time for time pass. Wow, they're looking cute, man.
Oh my god.
What?
How do you exit?
Thank you. See, I told you.
Oh, my bad.
That's why we should ask when you are late. 9:16 already. We have only 15 minutes. Only 14 minutes, guys. Let's go. So, guys, we exited the mall because Nike is right there in front of us. We were in the wrong mall. Guys, we are having leg day today. Oh, you look good. Don't look back. Don't look back. Okay. So we are going up there, guys. See, Christmas time. Wow.
Oh, that, you know.
Yeah, the Teddy wala. Looks nice. Countdown 0 for some reason. Nike Delhi. Okay. 9:19. 11 minutes. Birkenstock. I think it's in the third floor for some reason. Guys, if you work in this mall, we are late, guys. Let us know in the comment section. Hurry up. I'm serious, guys. Go in the comment section and type. We are running late. We need to find Nike store. Oh, it's so cute. It's in the upper floor. Hello. How much time do we have? 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Focus. Oh yeah. Just do it right there.
Nice.
Nike has big store, man. It's still open, good. What? This is Eddie? Then where's Nike? Okay, we are in the wrong place again. Nike, what is going on? It says, just do it, but in the wrong place, man. Guys, that Eddie store was really, really big. Okay, so it's big from this side. We went to the wrong place twice. Okay. Oh. Excuse me, exchange. Yeah, exchange karana hai, size. एक size छोटा लेना है. Oh, you want to see shoes?
No, I don't want to see.
I didn't even check the bill. Oh, it's here.
I'll just see around.
Okay, yeah. Enjoy. I think this will be fine. We are on time. Perfect. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Now the time is 9:58 and it's time for meal with my lady. Hello, are you hungry?
Yes, super hungry.
Super hungry, guys. All right, so this is all we got. Hopefully we'll be able to eat everything. This looks very nice. Let's not eat this. Let's take home. Decoration. All right, guys. Catch you up. Bye.